In Adobe Premiere Pro, it's really easy to actually sync audio to video. So all you have to do is drag and drop a file in. Let's say we're using this file right here in the timeline, and we've got this other audio file. It's really easy. So all we have to do is highlight both. And then if we go down, there is a synchronize option right there. So we go audio track channel, synchronize, and it will process. And sometimes it takes up to a minute to normally process the audio. And as you can see, it's now taken you to the point where it is now synced and pretty good. So what you can do then is, now the audio is synced, you can then drag and drop or delete that other audio file. And you know that that audio file is now synced to the audio in the video. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Thank you for watching.